What is up, guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be putting a two-step on the black truck right here. I have to walk away a little bit because that thing is super loud, but yeah, right now we're having an issue with it because the truck's kind of like misfiring, but I think it's just because it has bad gas because the truck's been sitting for a while. So maybe, well, I don't know if I should get this close, but we think some water got into the gas and, you know, it just kind of like ruined it. So we're letting it idle right now. We're about to go test run it around the street, put new gas in it, and, you know, see if that works out the bugs it had. Because right now, like I said, we did put new spark plugs and wires, and we also changed the coil packs from this truck onto the ones that from my OBS, which we swapped them out. Maybe we thought it was that. They're still doing the same issue. But I mean, if I can hear it in the background, it sounds perfectly fine. Like it runs normal. Revs it up a little bit, sounds fine. But every here and there, it bogs down a little bit. But yeah, like I said, we're just trying to get it to where it'll run smooth, and then hopefully take it to the track. Right now, we got a two-step. I think it's also a good two-step, and also with the new converter on it. So I haven't felt the truck. I don't know what it feels like. Oh, there goes my brother. So I don't know what the truck feels like now, but it did run better from the last time we took it to the track. We're gonna unbox the two-step and then try to put it on the truck right now and see how it sounds. All right, guys. So here, yeah. Anyways, right here, this is the new million filter box two-step. You can see. So it has to retard the timing and stuff when you're boosted and whatnot. But this one isn't boosted, so we won't need that. But we do have the RPMs right here. So on the bottom is gonna be the thousands, on the top is the hundreds. So basically, literally all it is you just plug this in into the coil packs, and you run just one wire.
Yeah, basically the ground activation.
Yeah, there you go. They literally just run this inside the truck, and then put a button, ground it out, and that's basically all you have to do. That powers everything. So pretty simple install, not too difficult. And then they also, you know, they give you the
pigtails.
Yeah, the pigtails with the extra wires, so that we can run it inside the truck. And obviously, you know, just like little mounting screws and or tape, whichever one you prefer. So, or both, you know. So we're just gonna put it on top to test it, make sure everything works before we, you know, actually install it, and then, you know, it not work and we gotta take it off and fix it, whatever. So on the little the connectors right here has like a little safety tab to keep them together, and you just pop it off and you take it off, right? So what it is literally this right here goes right here on the coil packs. That's all it is. And you see, this is the other side. You see a little tab in there. Kind of just like wiggle it around a little bit or pull it up, and then you just pop it off. And it just pulls out. Don't really need those unless you want to put them on the truck, but pop it off. And then, like I said, we're gonna use the green one. This is basically gonna be the ground or the power wire for the truck, and then all you have to do is just grind it out. Which is, we're just gonna peel it, tap it on the truck or on the battery, and then if it activates it, which is the power is the red one, it means that, you know, it has power on the two-step itself. And when you activate it, it'll turn green. But anyways, we're gonna put it on real quick, and then we'll try it out, see what it does. All right, guys. So, like I said, literally just unplug it from the coil packs. Plug this one in right here. Just make sure this little thing, well, it doesn't really can go down over the time, but they wear out. But anyways, see, pops in. This one's in. Here, other side. It doesn't matter what side is which, as it says on the instructions. So we always double check just in case, though. But pop that one in. And then this one, struggle it a little bit, prop it in. That's basically it. And then literally all it is just a green wire. You just peel it a little bit, put a ground on it, make sure it activates the box. Like I said, as you can see right here, so it'll light this one up, but it won't turn on the green one until you hit this one on the ground. But you guys see the little red light turned on? So all you have to do is just get this one, tap it on the ground like that. See, activates it. It's on. guys, so we got the box, the two-step box on. We hit it underneath the high ramp, and then we just stuck it through the firewall because there was a hole, so we didn't even bolt it up yet. But we got it working right now, so we're gonna test it out in the street real quick. Hopefully it doesn't break the truck, but we'll see what it does. Get the tires warm a little bit. Guys, so we had it set a little too high because the converter is only, yeah, it's not that big. So we're gonna set it down to 2,000 right there. Let it go. And this one we'll turn it up to 25. It's at 0 right now. This one right there. We're gonna double check it real quick, test it out, and then we'll see if it works now. All right, try number 2 because the converter was too high and it was making the truck burn out before it even hit the limiter. So. Nope, still too high. Hold on. All right, this is 2200 RPM. Nope, it's not letting it. Hold on, we gotta recheck this. All right, so I messed up. Sorry. So the green wire is the ground wire, and the ones that activate the two-step while you have it on the brake of the truck. It's the yellow wire and the orange wire. You put them together. Anyways, we just, like I said, we just put it through the firewall right here. That's where it's gonna be at. Ran the wires, and then hold on. But anyways,
it's just a test.
Yeah, it's just to test the truck. We haven't. This isn't the final wire up.
It looks ugly.
Yeah, that's why it looks like this. Anyways, like I said, yellow and orange. Put them together on one side, and the other side is the ground wire, which is the green one. So when you turn on the truck, push the brake. Obviously, hold the brake. Hold the button. That two-step will turn on. It's gonna make it backfire, I guess we can say, or hold RPM. And then whenever you're ready to take off, you release it, and the truck's gonna go. Hopefully. But anyways, we're gonna go back on the street, test it out, and hopefully it should work. Oh, actually, before I do that, I'm gonna turn it back up to, what do you want? Just 2,000 for right now, see if it works. And then we can turn it up to 25 afterwards. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna turn it up to 2,000 because right now it's barely at 1,000. So yeah, oh, here's the button, my bad. Don't let it touch anything. Hold it in your hand, don't let it go. And we'll be right back. I think we broke it. Put it in neutral. Uh-oh. All right, so I think trying to give out in first gear, reverse. So we're gonna hope first works. So it goes forward. All right, let's see what the two-step does. I think it's too low. So we're gonna turn it up again right now whenever we get it back. Guys, so I turned the truck up to 2,500, and we're gonna see hopefully if it hooks a little bit better or if it takes off a little bit better. But it's a little bit better. Still needs like a little bit more. Probably maybe turned up to 3,000 or so. But all right, so turned it up to 3,000, like I said. Apparently reverse does work. I guess the truck was just tripping, but it does work. So we're gonna try it out real quick, see what 3,000 does. A little bit better, but still, the truck's like super lazy down low. Maybe it needs a bigger converter or something, but I'm not sure. But I guess it still works, so that's a plus. So I guess we'll keep messing with it, keep turning it up or turning it down, however it may need, and then we'll go from there, see if we can get the truck to lunge a whole lot harder, so that way we can get some time down at the track. So we'll see right now. We turned it up to 35, and then homeboy's pulling out his Ford with his LS in it. Truck bad. See, I don't know why. Mid RPM, probably like at 5,000 RPMs or so. Yeah, that thing's clean. Anyways, like at 5,000 RPMs or so, something like that, the truck starts, it turns on and it clicks and it goes. But we're really struggling to get it out the hole. That's the main problem. But like I said, we're gonna keep trying to mess with it and see if we can get it to go. But we might have to turn it up to like 4,000 RPM, because right now it's at 35. So maybe 4,000. So I was literally turning the truck up to 4,000, and because we've been running it so hard, the freaking the line busted on the truck. Good thing we weren't driving the truck or anything, because I was literally about to go take it to cool it down. Oh, fuck, it's hot.
Oh shit! Look.
Oh well, it completely busted the hose. So yeah, I was over here sitting down, right here sitting down, and I was literally getting up, and then the thing just exploded, and I was like, oh shit. I was like, but luckily, like I said, we weren't moving the truck anywhere. We weren't driving the truck. But let's see. Oh, yep, there it is.
Oh,
well, at least we weren't stepping on it and it didn't suck it in. So yeah. Yeah, so like I said, we'll be right back. We're gonna pull this radiator hose off, fill it with some water, and then obviously let it cool down a little bit, and then we'll let y'all know what happens. All right, guys, so this is gonna be it for today's video, because once the transmission got warmed up and everything, it didn't want to go back to like 3,500, because also the stall's not that big. It's only like a 22 or so. So we turned the truck back down to 2,000, and then we just tried it again, and it worked fine. It seemed to work fine. But like I said, once the truck gets like turbos or something in the future, we're obviously going to put a bigger stall power, like a 36 or to a 38. So we can spool up the turbos, and then also, you know, get it up on the two-step a little bit higher so it can go faster. But like I said, I mean, it's not too bad, you know. It is what it needs to do. Luckily, we didn't break it. So transmission still works fine how it's supposed to, but for now. But yeah, knock on wood. There you go, knock on wood. But but yeah, anyways, like I said, this will be for today's video. Well, we actually missed blowing it up twice. So the tranny is still good, and the motor / radiator is still good. It's still intact. So yeah, anyways, that's it for today's dumb activities, you know. But anyways, we'll see you on the next one. Like always, don't forget to like and subscribe, share the video, share the channel, and you know, hope you all liked our content, and yeah, we'll see what happens in the next one.